Dr. Rachel Needle. Welcome to Sex Tip Saturday. Today I want to talk about something that I'm asked about a lot, and that is, am I having too much sex? Well, healthy sexual expression exists on a continuum, and every individual is different in how much and what kind they want and enjoy. Statistics on how often individuals have sex will vary based on factors such as age, length of time in a relationship, even definition of sex. So it doesn't necessarily mean there's something wrong with you or pathological if you have more or less sex than the average. Sex, like other behaviors, can become problematic, but that doesn't necessarily have to do with frequency. There are people that have an unhealthy relationship with sex. So some might even experience some physical discomfort with prolonged sexual activity. So for instance, biological females, if you have a lot of sex penetration in a short period of time, it could lead to some discomfort, especially if you're not lubricating as much. And that discomfort can be for you and or for your partners. So I always tell people to just pay attention to your body. And if that's the case, if you're experiencing discomfort or anything at all, then just slow down or switch activities. Sexual frequency can depend on factors including but not limited to desire, schedules, opportunity, anxiety, and even attachment. So in these things can change both within a relationship and outside of a relationship or over our lifetime. So what I tell people is if you find yourself preoccupied with thoughts of sex, if it's interfering with parts of your life, your responsibilities, your relationships, your work, if it is causing you shame or guilt, as a result, shame or guilt, or having there's any sort of negative impact occurring in your life as a result of sex, then you might want to consult with a mental health professional that specializes in sexuality or a certified sex therapist. Sexual satisfaction contributes to overall quality of life. So certainly, if you're having a lot of sex and you're enjoying it, then continue to do that. But if you find that it is getting in the way of some area of your life and you want to consult with somebody, make sure there's somebody that comes from a sex positive approach and that is a specialist in this area. We don't want it causing shame or guilt or physical discomfort or getting in the way of your life or your relationships. But other than that, I say enjoy a lot of great, safe sex and have a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me. I'm Dr. Rachel Needle, and this is Sex Tip Saturday.